How to improve the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. As the name indicates, irritable bowel syndrome is a syndrome, and a syndrome is described as having a set of symptoms. Symptoms of the syndrome may vary from one individual to another, and the diagnosis of the syndrome. The syndrome can be truly determined by a physician only when all the various symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome a person experiences are examined by him. However, the symptoms experienced by most people are too mild that they do not prefer to consult a physician. Indeed, a person suffering from the symptoms of the syndrome would more probably ascribe it to taking bad food than any other reason. In some cases, the symptoms characterizing irritable bowel syndrome may even intervene with a person's life. Diarrhea and abdominal pain are such symptoms of the syndrome that can result in enough mental turmoil for a person that he would certainly seek some other's help. How a person can get relieved from the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. 1. Analyzing the symptoms. For the symptoms to be controlled, it is essential to know about these symptoms. This is because irritable bowel syndrome can exhibit a collection of symptoms and it varies from person to person. Some people suffer from diarrhea, whereas some others experience constipation. Some of them experience abdominal cramping, whereas a few others feel bloated. Trying to get as much information as possible about the symptom only will help in relieving the illness. By being specific about the symptoms of the irritable bowel syndrome, some required steps can be carried out to cease the symptoms which trouble you. 2. Pick up a regular diet. Whatever you feel internally is associated with what you eat. And when you have found out the symptoms of your illness, it is very easy to remove those symptoms. One of the most prominent ways to do this is to have a well-balanced diet. You have to choose your food depending upon the type of symptom. The food should be soothing to the bowel and intestine and should not further lead to any consequence. As whatever you have directly borne upon the digestive system, you have to intake food with proper care. First and foremost, you need to pinpoint that food that enhances your condition. You have to check this out by analyzing every food and observing the impact on you, though you need not be an experiment product in the laboratory to solace the symptoms of IBS. Some of the points you have to take care of are: never eat fat-contained food, alcoholic beverages or any other dairy products. The matter of fact is that such food will strike symptoms in adverse condition. 3. Cool down and relax. Don't exhaust yourself. Don't take too much tension or stress in life. Be calm and cool in your work environment, which all will have a profound effect on your bowel also, which aids in recovering fast. You can see employees carrying antacids in their hands. This is mainly because of the appearance of the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Moreover, stress induces certain reactions of the gut, which causes this syndrome. The symptoms due to stress lead to very bad conditions. This is the reason why people are seeking alternative therapies like meditation, yoga, etc. as the only relaxation can ease digestion smoothly in your stomach. By carrying out some important matters like the above, you would be able to alleviate the symptoms of IBS in some manner. Thinking that it is incurable does not incur that you need to suffer the troubles daily throughout your life.